So far, how to generate a custom GeoJSON file from the save file that we have downloaded from the naturalearth.com. The custom GeoJSON we have generated file size is more than 5 MB. So because of that, it taking more time to draw a world map. So it tremendously increase the page load. So we have to reduce the file size as much as possible. So I'm using if see it took so much time to load this page. Okay, so to reduce the file size, I'm using online tool called mapshaper. Go to the mapshaper.org, just drag and drop your GeoJSON file and click on import. Now click on simplify, apply. Now reduce from the 100% to so as much as possible. So I'm setting 10%. So some of the polygons got ripped. So actually what it does is reduce as much attributes of polygons that used to draw the world map. So we are simplifying the attributes of polygons. So some of the polygons get repaired. So click on repair. Finally click on export. Choose the file tab and choose to GeoJSON and click on export. So if you see, the file size is reduced from 5 MB to just 441 KB. Okay, I'm just copying this file and put into my IMAP project folder. Just go and load the project in the browser. If you see, during the simplification, most of the properties, some of the properties is deleted. So if you want to use this GeoJSON file in your IMAPs, you need to import that GeoJSON file in your QGIS editor. So what I will do, I'll just drag and drop this GeoJSON simplify GeoJSON file in your QGIS editor. Just select that and click save as. Choose the format as GeoJSON. Select where you want to save. So I like selected desktop and give a name as SW. Click save. Finally click OK. Okay, so now it is got saved as a w.geojson file. Just copy your now load. Now change w.json file. So now check. So now it is got loaded, but because of the state transforming, it is throwing map does not support latitude and longitude support. So now go ahead and add that h3 transform. This h3 transform to o.geojson is in file. Now test this. Yeah, now it's nicely working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.